Everyone, today I am going to be unboxing this Godzilla King of the Monsters Mothra and Burning Godzilla package. So let's just open it, okay? Let's see. Okay, hold on, it's going to take me a minute. Okay guys, I already took the tape off, so now let's open this. Okay. See. Okay.
Do not distract.
See. Okay. Done. 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 Here it is. Oh, dang it. Now I need.
I'm just so hungry because I really can't eat.
Now I need a.
Noodles,
Now I need to. Me. Here we go. Here is Burning Godzilla. You can't just chew on the other side of your mouth?
No, that's what I'm doing. I cannot turn these things off. But even chewing on the other side.
Okay, have this. I'm going to pause it until everything is open. Okay, guys. We got everything open.
Yeah, I'm like really.
We got Burning Godzilla. We got Mothra. And we have Burning Godzilla's tail. So now, it's going to take a second because I need to put this tail on. Hold on. Okay, Burning Godzilla's tail is on. It kind of looks like the regular Godzilla's tail.
They go, will you stop looking like that?
So yeah, this is Burning Godzilla.
Every time I turn around, they
Pretty
give me
cool.
Oh, I know, they're giving you something else.
You could
Well, you have the
look at the spikes though.
Yeah,
Like,
but
all
I was
orange.
with the blood in there, and like I'm bleeding a lot, and they were just going to give it to me, and then I said, look,
Yeah,
I'm not
so
supposed
this
to
is
take
pretty
that
cool.
every 12 hours.
Also, yeah.
My doctor even told me,
Lion.
if you don't take it before midnight, then wait till the
Okay.
next day.
So that's really all it is.
And now
I'll give you another thing from Burning Godzilla and Mothra. So yeah, bye.